Hey, seventh grade. What is going on, everybody? Mr. Snyder here for your lesson, day 1, week 6. All right, so here is what we are going to be doing. This is going to be different. I promise you guys, after 2 excerpts of you reading first, second, and third reads and answering questions, we were going to switch it up a little bit. So this is a little bit of a brain break for you. Now, that said, you do have to go through excerpt 2 again. All right. But I got the assignment pulled up on the right side of your screen here. You can see excerpt 2 phrase search. So you're going to need excerpt 2 again, which I'm going to post for you right under the assignment. And then you're going to be filling this out here. So first thing, I'm talking to you, Jalen. All right. Write your name on your homework. I take points off if you don't. So if you don't want those points, don't write your name. Don't write your name. Malik White. Now that I got your attention, capitalize your names. Both the first and the last one. All right? I take points off if you don't do that. Whitney. All right? My wife, she teaches at Slippery Rock. She's got college students who are still doing that kind of stuff, and it's embarrassing. All right? She doesn't even accept their work. So I don't want you guys to have to go through that. So let's fix this right here, right now. Put your name here. Capitalize the first name. Capitalize the last name. Now that I've taken care of that, here's the meat of the assignment. You're going to go through, you're going to read excerpt 2 again, all right? And you're going to follow the directions here on excerpt 2 phrase search. Carefully reread excerpt 2 and look for 10 to 20 words or phrases that stand out about living and working conditions for slaves on plantations. So you're going to be reading with that in mind, the living and working conditions that were taking place. What are some really powerful statements, either powerful words or phrases that really kind of stick out to you through this reading? Now, you might even have some, if you can recall without even looking at this, things that stayed with you the first couple times or a few times that you went through this. Okay, those would be good things to write down. But if you go through again and you read and you say, wow, that really stays with me, or that really paints a picture in my head. All right. In my mind, I can see what he's trying to tell me. Write those things down here. Okay. It says here, number 2 on a separate sheet of paper. Let's just do this. Real-time editing. How about that? Make a list of details, words, and phrases you find particularly powerful, moving, or interesting, keeping them in the order in which you found them. That's important. So as you go through this here, you can copy and paste. I'm totally cool with that. Copy and paste it, but make sure that it's done in the order, because that's going to be important for later on. This is just part 1 of the assignment that we're working on this week. So we're just laying the groundwork. I'm not telling you what this is all going towards, but you're going to like it. All right, it's going to be fun, I promise. Okay? So you're going to type your words or phrases below here, right, that you found particularly powerful or interesting or moving or something that just stays with you. So if I'm scrolling through and I say, allowance of food, the whole of which could not have cost more than $7. Like, to me, like all of those things that he listed, and granted, it's in like the 1850s, 1840s, 1830s, that time frame. The fact that, like, for the year, hold on, sorry, that's underlined there. You might have to switch that up when the time comes to edit this. Okay, it should be the shoes, the whole of which, let me get rid of shoes there. The whole of which could not have cost more than $7. All right. That stands out to me. That's crazy. I mean, you're talking about these human beings that, even if you look at them as chattel, as this movable property, as slaves, you're only putting $7 a year into the maintenance of that. That's wild. That's completely crazy. And you expect those things to do the job that's expected of them. All right. I have a hard time wrapping my head around that. All right. So that really stood out to me. So you're going to do 10 to 20 words or phrases, all right, in order. So, and again, it can be a particular word. The more content you have, the better. All right. If you just get 10 words, you're going to have a heck of a time completing part 2 of this assignment. All right. So, again, I recommend having more phrases than words, but do what you want. Okay. Actually, don't do what you want. Have, if you're going to do this, minimum 5 phrases, 5 words. All right. If you want to break it down to 50-50. All right. That's fine by me. But have at least half of your 10 to 20 things be phrases. All right. So that is the assignment. That's it. You're going through your reading and you're finding 10 to 20 words and phrases that really stand out to you. Guys, I really can't wait to see like the kind of things that you're coming up with here, these words and phrases. Like I said, this is just part 1. I'm not telling you what part 2 is yet. That'll drop on Tuesday. But until then, yeah, go through this only for Excerpt 2. Go through this, find these words and phrases, turn them in on Google Classroom. Make sure you hit that submit button. All right. And then I will be seeing you guys next time. Hope you are all staying well. Hope you're staying healthy. Hope you're staying happy. You guys need anything at all, feel free to reach out to me, and I will be more than happy to help you. All right, guys, take it easy.